Hello, lovely ladies. Are you ready to say goodbye to crepey skin and hello to a youthful glow? Trust me, I know how it feels to wake up one day and realize your skin has aged overnight. But don't worry, I've got you covered with my 7 expert tips from years of experience. So let's dive right in. First, start by using a natural loofah sponge in the shower. Gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and boost blood flow. It's a game changer. Next, as soon as you step out of the shower, slather on some Excedrin or Gold Bond body lotion from top to bottom. Skip the feet. This locks in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. Now, for a little morning ritual, add a scoop of quality collagen to your coffee and enjoy a slice of grass-fed butter with it. It's relaxing for both you and your skin. Here's another tip. Don't eat anything between dinner and lunch. This fasting period allows your body to recycle old, unhealthy cells. This tightens the skin beautifully. Time to lift some weights. Grab 5-pound weights and do a quick arm workout. 8 reps extending your arms up. Now forward. To the sides. Front to back like skiing. Underarms. And curls. Then do another set with just 4 reps each. Strong arms, strong skin. When it comes to eating, indulge in fatty beef with an 85-15 fat ratio 5 times a week. On weekends, eat whatever you like. Simple, right? Lastly, limit or remove sugars from your diet, except for honey. Skip breads and processed foods. Focus on nourishing yourself with organic grass-fed foods like butter, eggs, beef, berries, bell peppers, and beans. Bonus tip. I grow aloe vera at home and use it once a week before lotion. It nourishes and tightens the skin. Cut a fresh leaf, remove the green part, and use the jelly. For extra sensitive skin, let the leaf sit in water for 20 minutes before using it. Wrap the unused portion in cling wrap and keep it in the fridge. There you have it. Follow these tips and in just 2 weeks, you'll see a rejuvenated, healthy glow. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.